Hello students, today I'll be teaching you chapter 2nd from your supplementary reader It So Happened. Now chapter 2 is Children at Work. Now I don't know if you know or not, there are millions of children in our country who have to work. Not everybody is lucky like you to stay in a comfortable environment at home or go to school, because they are too poor to go to school or play, and they have to earn something to help their families. But there are some children who run away from their unhappy homes. Like I told you, not everybody has nice parents or good family like you. So there are children who run away from their unhappy homes and they face great difficulties. Many times they often fall in wrong hands. Or we can say they meet wrong people who can misuse these children. Now we are talking about Velu, who is an 11-year-old boy. He runs away from his home because his father beats him, and he runs and goes to Chennai in a train. He is alone and miserable. A girl who is somewhat his age helps him out. She is a rag picker. Rag picker in Hindi means kabadi. She finds food for him and offers him work to do. Now, he is an 11-year-old boy, like I told you, and he used to work in the fields of a landowner in his village. His father snatched away all the money he and his sisters earned and spent it to drink. And he used to beat Velu. Velu was in a bad state. He ran away from his village, and for a whole day he wandered in Karur. Karur is a place near his village. And then he gets into Kanyakumari Express and reaches Chennai. He travels without ticket because he has no money to buy a ticket. But luckily the ticket collector does not notice him. So Velu gets down at the Chennai Central, here the Chennai railway station. He was hungry and tired, and because for the last 2 days he had eaten very little. His legs were shaking. He was feeling very weak. He felt as if he was still in the moving train, because for 2 days he was in the train, so he felt he was still moving. He sat down on a bench and he did not know what to do and where to go. So he sat down with his head on his knees, and he was in a pathetic state. Now comes the girl Jaya, who is also around 11 years old. She was a rag picker and carried a big sack on her shoulder. Like you can see in the picture, she was wearing a banyan that reached her knees. You can see her image in the picture, that she is carrying a rag and wearing a banyan. Her hair was brownish and stiff. Obviously, she had no money or means to have a good bath, or there was nobody to take care of her properly. She saw Velu sitting all alone, and she was an intelligent girl. She made out that Velu had run away from home, and the city was full of such boys. Now she called Velu and asked his name, and she sat next to him on the bench. Velu pressed his hands against his stomach. So she understood that this boy, he was hungry. She told him that he could not find food if he sat there gloomily. So she said that she could find him food if he went with her. Then she stood up and started walking. Now Velu saw her going away, and he ran after her. She took him along a road where Velu saw that there were large number of vehicles on the road, and they did not stop for anybody. When there was a gap, Jaya almost dragged him across the road. Dragged means खींच के ले जाती थी. Then Velu saw signboards, and he could not know what they said, but he could, because he could not read English. So Jaya turned into a wide bridge. There she pointed at a huge building. Velu could read the sign Central Jail. She told him to be careful, otherwise he will land in the jail. Then they reached a banquet hall. There was a wedding and there were many cars. Velu wondered what will they get to eat over there. But Jaya led him to a garbage bin behind the building. There she found a banana and a vada for Velu. Now, he did not like to eat them because they were in garbage. You can see in the picture. They are in a dirty place. Nobody likes to eat from here. Animals are also there. So, but Jaya told him to eat them. So Jaya told Velu to eat this. Otherwise, he would go hungry. And she told him that she had no food to buy, no money to buy food. He ate everything that Jaya gave him, and then Jaya found another banana. She ate it herself. Then Jaya told him that if he was still hungry, he could wait there till lunchtime. Then she put a couple of bottles in her sack and said she was going home because she had more work to do. Now Velu asked her, what work did she do? She told him that they were rag pickers. Like I told you, the rag pickers are called kabadi, जो कूड़ा और फालतू चीज़ें उठाते हैं. She collected paper, plastic, glass, etc. And then she told them to a junk dealer. Who further sold it to a factory. Then she walked away with her sack. Velu knew nothing about the city and he thought it was best to stay close to Jaya. So he accompanied with her to her home. Now they came to a bridge across a dirty, almost a very dry stream. Stream means patli si river type ki hoti hai. It's not actually a stream. It was called Buckingham Canal. Then they reached a row of huts which were made of metal sheets, tires, plastic and all. They were all crooked. Velu thought that these houses were very strange huts because in his village huts were made of mud and palm leaves. See, he had never seen houses made of sheet and all the rubbish material. You can see in this picture that the house has a roof of 3-4 kinds of sheets and tires kept over there and bricks, then wood, plastic, all these different things are used to make their house. So that's why he found it strange that he had never seen such houses. Now Jaya left her sack at her hut and gave a pair of old shoes, an empty sack and a stick to Velu. And she took an empty sack for herself and told Velu to go to work with her. Now he had to earn for himself, so she gave this work of rag picker to Velu also. Velu did not want to be a rag picker. Who wants to pick up dirty things? So he did not want to be a rag picker, but he was helpless. He had no other option. He decided to do this work till he found something better to do, because with this work he would at least earn some money and buy something for himself to eat. Every time he didn't have, if he earns money, so in this way he doesn't, there is no need for him to pick up eatables from the garbage. He will be able to buy things for himself. So this is what the story is about. If you can see, there are questions in between that you need to answer, and all the questions have been marked on the pages I have given you. Now, for example, these questions have been given to you. The answer you will find in the text which is given before the questions. मतलब ये जो 5 क्वेश्चंस है इनका आंसर आपको स्टोरी में मिलेगा, जो जितना हिस्सा स्टोरी का क्वेश्चंस के पहले है. लाइक you can see I have marked question number 5. So this is the answer of question 5. Why did he decide to follow the strange girl? Because he had no idea where to go. So he jumped up and ran after the girl. I have marked the answers, but you will have to frame sentences by your own. Like fourth answer also I have marked. Why had Velu run away from home? Velu had run away. You will not pick up the sentence and write in your copy. जैसा sentence book में दिया आप सीधा copy में नहीं उतारेंगे, ऐसा आंसर acceptable नहीं होगा. I will mark the answer wrong. You have to take help from the book but create your own sentences. He had run away, यहाँ से आप start नहीं करेंगे. You have to form your own sentence. Velu ran away from home because he could not stand his father's beating for one more day. His father would snatch away all the money and Velu and his sisters whatever they used to earn and spend it on the drink. Okay, तो कुछ थोड़े से आपको अपने वर्ड्स यूज़ करने पड़ेंगे. So all these 5 questions, the answer of these 5 questions have already been marked in the text that is before the questions. Okay, then we come to the second part. In second part also you will find questions on page number 13. Now there are 4 questions and all 4 of them have been marked. Like for example, question number 1, can Velu read Tamil and English? How do you know? So question number 1 has been marked over here on this page. The writing was all in English, so he didn't know what it meant. That means Velu cannot read English. Then it's written the second part. Answer number 1 I have marked again. Velu squinted and read the Tamil sign, Central Jail. This means he can read Tamil. He cannot read English, the first sentence shows you. And he can read Tamil, where he can read Central Jail. Okay, so you will write, yes, Velu could not read English because it's written, the writing was all in English, so he didn't know what it meant. And then in the second paragraph you will write, he could read Tamil because he could read the Tamil sign of Central Jail. So answers have been marked, but you have to frame your own sentences for the answers. Then comes the third part. At the end of the third part also you have certain questions over here. These questions have also been marked in the chapter itself. Like question number 2, what sort of things did Jaya and children like her collect? You will find the answer on the same page, 15. They used to collect paper, plastic, glass and such things, and they used to sell it to Jam Bazaar Jaggu. Okay? Then there are 3 more questions at the end. These 3 questions you have to write the answer, and I have given you the answers over here. These are the answers. I may send you the PDF copy also so that you can write the answers easily. Remember, these answers which have been given to you, they are the answers of these 3 questions. इन 3 questions के आंसर जो हैं वो ये हैं, आंसर 1, आंसर 2 and आंसर 3. Right, so you will have to write the answer of all these questions which are given in between the chapter and these 3 questions which are given at the end of the chapter. That's all you need to do for this chapter.